Hello Facebook Live, Jamie here. Happy Monday to everybody. I hope everybody had an awesome weekend. We are starting another week here at Aroma Thyme. Let's see, give everybody a few minutes here to log in. It was a beautiful weekend. Saturday was gorgeous, really nice. And we were really busy at the restaurant. Yesterday was steady. We have our new heaters outside on top of each of the tables, even though tonight it's rainy, so I'm not sure that we will have much outside business today, but we definitely will have takeout. Takeout's always available at Aroma Thyme, and we do have 50% capacity inside, so our tables are spaced out. You can sit inside, you can order to go. I don't think we'll be doing too much outside dining this evening. Fire pit will not be going tonight due to the rain, so I'm not sure you want to sit outside. Hope everybody is doing well. Hope everybody's staying healthy, taking your vitamin C, taking care of your body, running, getting out there and exercising. Thanks everybody for watching me. Hello Tom, hello Anna, hello Ralph, hello Sabrina. If you're watching me live, if you could put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching me on the replay, hashtag replay. I know Marcus just got done doing a Facebook Live, so I'm not going to take up too much time today. I just wanted to make sure I got a cocktail of the day done. I have been super busy. Tuesdays and Wednesdays we are closed here at Aroma Thyme, so I really have not been doing too many Facebook Lives. We have been doing our Wine Time Live at least one of those days, so we talk about a bottle of wine and an experience and a winery that we've been to. So that's kind of fun for Marcus and I. We usually sit outside, or we'll sit at the end of the bar, and we just kind of talk about the wine and all of our fun experiences at the wineries. Let's see, and I didn't get on Friday. I apologize. I don't even remember what happened. Oh, it was Courtney's birthday on Friday. It was her 21st birthday, so happy birthday to Courtney. She turned 21 on Friday, so we went out for lunch. We had margaritas. So that was fun to be able to have a drink out with your daughter, with my daughter, our daughter. So that was really fun. So if you come to Aroma Thyme next weekend and you see Courtney, make sure you wish her a happy birthday. The big 21, the big 21. So she is legal to drink now. So and to go buy on her own. So that's pretty cool. Hope everybody is good. Hello Anne. Hello Sabrina. Thank you for watching me. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. Tonight is wing night. It's buy one, get one free wings to go. So you can order and take it to go. We have our regular menu available as well. We have a really cool, awesome purple cauliflower as a side veg. We have our pear salad. We have our Caesar salad. Let's see, we have tiki masala chicken. We have our shrimp hot pot. We have pizzas, the thin crust whole wheat pizzas. We have lots of appetizers. Go online, aromatymebistro.com. You can get our menu there, and you can order from there. We also have groceries available. We have wine available. So we are still rocking and rolling here at Aroma Thyme. So thanks everybody for your support. So I'm going to make a drink that I've made before. I am going to be making a raspberry margarita. I love margaritas, and I just felt like a margarita today. So I'm going to make a raspberry margarita. I just rimmed the top with some salt. You can use sugar, you can use salt. I prefer salt on my margaritas. I'm going to add, so our well tequila is not really well, it's Pueblo Vieja. Awesome Blanco tequila, so I'm going to add 2 ounces. I love our margaritas. We don't use triple sec, we use Curacao. So it is similar to an orange liqueur, got a lot more flavor to it. I like it better than triple sec, so 1 ounce. I'm going to add about a ½ ounce of lime juice, so 5 squirts is what I call it. And then I'm going to add some raspberry liqueur. And I'm going to shake it up. I like my margaritas on the rocks. How do you like your margaritas? Do you like them salt and rocks? Rocks, no salt. No rocks, no salt. What kind of margaritas do you like? I'm always looking for a cool, fun margarita. Hello Ellen, hello Jim. Thank you everybody for watching me. So raspberry margarita today. And I'm going to put a splash of seltzer in it. So I make mine here. on the rim. And there we have it, my raspberry margarita. Let's taste it. Oh, that's delicious. Cheers, everybody. Hello, Ellen. Hello, Pam. Thank you, everybody, for watching. Thank you for your support. Lots of you have been watching me throughout all of this. I've been doing Facebook Live since the beginning of March. I don't even know what number I'm on, but I've been doing a lot of them. So thanks again. Hopefully I'll be on tomorrow. And if not, we'll be doing our wine time live where Marcus and I talk about a bottle of wine, a vineyard, a story, place that we've been. So check that out. And hope everyone has an awesome night. Tonight's wing night. Buy one, get one free wings to go. Regular menus available. Share this with your friends. And I will talk to everybody tomorrow. Thanks. Have a good night.